Hello, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Can you introduce yourself?
My name is Maria Ellen Valdez. I am 42 years old. I am married.
How many child do you have?
I have two children and one son.
How old are they?
The oldest is 26, and then 21. My son is 17 years old.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have two brothers and three sisters.
You are the?
I am the oldest.
Okay, do you have an experience in working abroad before as a domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am.
In which country?
In Saudi Arabia.
How many are them in the family?
2 years and finished contract.
How many are them?
There are five
5 members?
members.
How about in the Philippines? Do you have an experience working as a domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Who is your employer?
Pedro Senson.
How many are them in the family?
Only three.
How long did you stay in that employer?
2.5 years old.
So you finish your contract with them too?
Yes, ma'am.
What are your main duties in your previous employer?
Duty, duty to prepare her foods, to clean the house because it is condo
Okay.
unit.
Why did you choose to work in Hong Kong?
Because the high amount salary compared to other country.
Do you know how to cook some simple Chinese food?
Yes,
Like,
fried steamed fish, fried chicken.
are you willing to learn more?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
How about an elder person?
Yes, ma'am.
What can you teach to your employer's children?
I teach her to talk English, to learn the right English.
Okay. Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you give an example, please?
Row, row, row your boat, then you down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Okay, thank you. Now, what kind of employer are you looking for?
I want to employer good to her worker and friendly.
Okay, what can you say about yourself, your attitude?
I do my best and I'm a hard worker. I promise to finish my work and 2 years contract.
Are you afraid of dogs and cats?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you give a short message to your future employer so that they will hire you?
Hi, ma'am and sir. If you choose me, I promise to love your kids and take care of your family, and I'll do my best.
Can you promise to finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, I will promise to finish my contract.
Is that all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.